Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. And if you're just dropping by, if you're just like strolling, hey, what do I watch on YouTube, and you found me, thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button and come back. I've got lots of recipes on this channel, but for today I'm making fresh palm kernel oil, and I'm making this with my adopted grandmother, as I call her. All right, so yeah, let's get into it. So basically, she is hilarious, and she's starting the fire now with a few of the shells from the palm kernel, which like gets lit pretty fast, a few pieces of rubber and wood. So we're going to wash the palm kernels. She broke all of this by hand. The shells, she broke them individually by hand to get the kernels out so that we can make the oil. So after washing the kernels, we're just going to let them drain a bit so that the water can come out, and our fire is getting hot and ready, and our kernels are going in now. So this basically is wash the kernels, put them on the fire and roast them till they bring out the oil. And it smells so good when it starts roasting. I can't wait.
How long will this one fry for now? Like 30 minutes. Really, really short.
30 minutes.
How many hours? 1 hour, 2 hours, like two,
1 hour.
1 hour plus. So this will fry for like.
The fire catch well.
Mm, okay. Okay. So this oil now we go use them for it.
For anything. You rub body, you give little children to drink.
Okay. Why are little
Where
children drinking?
They are drinking it because of fever.
Okay. Okay.
Because of fever. So, convulsion, when convulsion worry them, they will give them to drink as a medicine concern.
Yes. Okay. So that means this oil is basically like medicine now.
Yes.
It's medicinal.
It's a medicine.
For your body and inside your body too.
And when the little children have a convulsion, you give
Okay.
Inside you will burn. Be fresh.
Okay, so you have to keep turning it.
If you pay attention, you can tell it's already roasting because the stick she's using to turn the kernels is already getting very oily, and it is, I don't even know how to explain the aroma of this oil. Like if you don't perceive it, you just can't explain. Like perfume. It's so good. Like, and I've always like wanted to like roast them myself, but so immediately she said she was going to do the oil. I was like, I have to grab my camera and get this on record.
Put the oil back.
Coming out. Yeah, it smells really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. I think it's just a 1 hour 30 minutes. You never reach even 30 minutes. Eh?
Oh, okay now. Okay now.
Mama, you never reach 30 minutes. It was a 1 hour 30 minutes.
I don't know. I never know. Say the fire will catch.
So for the oil to stay pure, you have to make sure that whatever your container you're putting it in has no oil, no dirt, and no dust, because it's very medicinal. No water. No water as well. Whatever you're putting it in can't have water. Once water is in the oil, is no more medicinal. Yeah, so our oil is done. This was one of my favorite shots of the day, like the shots of our hands. Like I feel like our hands tell so many stories if you pay attention. Making this oil with Mama was really awesome, and I can't wait for you guys to watch our other recipes that we put together. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, share this video. Happy New Year!
don't need to.
When waiting.
When it cold, when the this
Mhm.
oil cold,
Mhm.
you pour am, you turn am for swallow.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. It's fine. Wait.
Mm. You know, even reach 30 minutes again.
Mhm.
Yeah. Sometimes say you reach.
That's mean I say we go sleep here today.
The fire now. Luckily, the fire catch quick.
Mm.